We'll guide you through how to force quit apps on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So we're going to guide you through some different ways this can be done. Make sure you watch this full guide. We'll show you multiple ways in case one of them doesn't work for you. So perhaps the app has stopped working and when you try and tap something, it won't work. And so you want to try force quitting it and then reopening it up to go and see if that solves it. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done. Let's go and get started. So first of all, for the first way, what you want to do is you want to come to the bottom of the app and you want to go and drag up. Don't just go and flick it up as you usually would to get out of it. You want to go and do it slowly and drag higher up like so. And you can then go and see the open apps and you can go and swipe across and find the one you want to go and force quit to go and completely close it. You may need to go and scroll back, but if you've just been using it, it's going to be the first. After you've done that, you can then go and reopen it up and hopefully it's then gone and solved. Now, if you're finding that you're still stuck on it, what we need to do is a force restart. So we can use a button combination. So we're going to go and press the volume increase, decrease, and then tap and hold the side button. Keep that held down. Shortly, your iPhone's going to go black. Now, you may not go and see the screen here if it's completely frozen, but it should go black after the time has passed. Keep it held down, and we're then going to go and release when we go and see the Apple icon, as you can see. So now keep on holding it. Surely it's going to go and start. As you can see, it's now gone and started, and we can then go and unlock it. And now you can go and reopen up the app and go and start using it again. So hopefully with the help of this video, you managed to go and force quit apps. If you found this useful and you want to see more like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. If you want to see more, feel free to go and put a comment down below as well if there's something specific you want to go and see. I look forward to help you get in the future with more how-tos. Have a great day and I'll catch you again soon.